Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our US 11 series that we began in the winter of 2023. It's summertime now. This video was filmed on August 5th, 2023. We begin at mile 8 in Chattanooga, Tennessee, heading north on US 11, as well as an assortment of concurrent highways. We cross under Interstate 24 here and enter the South Side Historic District of Chattanooga. Along for the ride are US 41 South, US 64 East, and US 72 East. Here, US 11 and US 64 turn right onto West 20th Street, shedding two US highways and picking up Tennessee State Route 58 for a few blocks. We'll be running parallel to I-24 for a while here, through a commercial and industrial area on the edge of downtown Chattanooga. Here, our route makes a change in alignment to run right alongside I-24 for a short distance to cross a Norfolk Southern and CSX rail yard. Nestled beside the Tennessee River, surrounded by picturesque mountains, Chattanooga provides a wide range of attractions and activities for both residents and visitors. The city is famous for its breathtaking outdoor landscapes, with Lookout Mountain and Signal Mountain offering stunning views of the surrounding area. The Tennessee Riverwalk, a scenic pathway that follows the river, is perfect for leisurely walks and bike rides. Chattanooga is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, offering opportunities for activities such as rock climbing, hiking, and various water sports. Notable attractions include Ruby Falls, an underground waterfall within Lookout Mountain, and Rock City, a distinctive rock garden featuring winding trails made famous by the iconic See Rock City barn advertisements of the mid-20th century. The city's historical significance can be explored at the Chickamauga and Chattanooga National Military Park, which commemorates Civil War battles. Additionally, the Tennessee Aquarium is a popular destination showcasing a diverse array of aquatic life. Chattanooga's revitalized downtown area boasts a thriving arts and music scene, featuring numerous art galleries, theaters, and live music venues. The city's culinary landscape is equally diverse, offering a fusion of Southern cuisine and international flavors. In recent years, Chattanooga has made substantial progress in sustainability and is recognized as one of the most environmentally friendly cities in the United States. With its affordable cost of living, robust job market, and welcoming community, Chattanooga is an appealing place to both reside and work. turn left onto Dodds Avenue. US 64 sticks with us, and we gain a concurrency with US 41 and US 76. This is the second concurrency with US 41 in this video. However, we're now on US 41 North as opposed to South. US 11, 64, and 41 form a square in this part of Chattanooga, and we're catching the east side of that square. US 76 begins at Main and Broad where US 72 ends and is basically a continuation of US 72. These two highways also form the north, west, and east side of that square.
Will you take my hand, or will you let me go? Is this my last stand? Won't you let me know? 'Cause you're all the beauty that I found. I feel you in the breeze. Yeah, when the moment comes around, baby, please don't leave. I need you now, more than ever. I need you now, more than ever. You are my northern light, you shine through the night. The sun could go down, it don't matter. I need you now, more than ever, more than ever. I need you now. I need you now. I need you now, more than ever. I need you now.
Here we turn right onto McCallie Avenue, and just ahead is a tunnel under Missionary Ridge, which is a geographic feature running basically north-south for several miles and varies in width from a few feet to over 660 feet, with very steep, nearly vertical sides that rise over 330 feet from the ground surrounding it. Missionary Ridge was so named for the early missionaries that made their way along paths climbing the ridge on their way to Brainerd Village to the settlement of the Cherokee. The Battle of Missionary Ridge was a significant engagement during the American Civil War. This battle was part of the larger Chattanooga campaign, where Union forces, commanded by General Ulysses S. Grant, sought to break the Confederate siege of Chattanooga. On November 25, 1863, Union forces launched an attack on Missionary Ridge. The Confederate Army, led by General Braxton Bragg, was positioned on top of this ridge. The Union soldiers faced a tough challenge as they had to climb the steep ridge while under heavy fire from Confederate troops. However, with determination and some initial confusion among the Confederate forces, the Union soldiers managed to reach the top of the ridge. In a dramatic turn of events, they drove the Confederates off the ridge and captured it. This victory by the Union forces at Missionary Ridge was a turning point in the Chattanooga campaign. It forced the Confederates to retreat from Chattanooga, opening up a vital supply route for the Union Army. This success also boosted General Grant's reputation and played a role in his later appointment as the commander of all Union forces. We conclude today's video here at mile 13, about halfway through the city of Chattanooga. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 or more a month, you too can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.